In a sun-baked desert, where the cacti stood tall, lived a swift and sleek roadrunner, named Cactus-Zip. He was the fastest racer, known far and wide. A star of the sands, with the wind as his guide. One day, Cactus-Zip boasted, "I'm the speediest one. No one can catch me, not even the sun. But I've never met a challenge that I couldn't beat. So, let's see who's really on this desert street." A small, humble tortoise, named Dusty Shell, overheard Cactus-Zip and felt a pang of shell. He was slow, but wise, and calmly said, "I'll race you, friend. If you think yourself the fastest, let's your speed be proven." Cactus-Zip laughed, dismissing Dusty Shell's proposal. "A race with you, little tortoise, is hardly worth a toast." But Dusty Shell persisted, "Please, a race will show. The fastest is not always the one who goes." So, they set off, Cactus-Zip with a mighty flutter, while Dusty Shell moved slow, but steady as a udder. The sun beat down, the heat was fierce, but Cactus-Zip did not falter. But as they approached an oasis, a surprise did he falter. For Dusty Shell, with a patient, steady pace, reached the oasis, taking the first place. Cactus-Zip, exhausted, followed soon, while Dusty Shell grinned, under the setting sun. "Slow and steady wins the race," Dusty Shell said with glee. "Speed is fine, but patience and persistence, always the key." Cactus-Zip learned that day a valuable lesson. That the race was not always won with no stress or lesson. The moral of this tale is simple, yet profound. That in life, it's not always the speed that's found, but the journey, the growth, and the battles we conquer, that truly make us the fastest and help us soar.